In this video, we will talk about how to fix Smart App Control blocked an app that may be unsafe on Windows 11. Click on Start, open Settings. On the left side, select Privacy and Security. Click on Windows Security, then click on Open Windows Security. On the left, click on App and Browser Control, then Smart App Control Settings. From here, turn off Smart App Control. Don't worry about this warning. We can turn it on easily. Just follow the steps. Click on Yes, I am sure. And again, click on Yes. Now, you can install the application which was blocked by Smart App Control. After installing the application, click in Search, type regedit, and click on Open. Click on Yes. Here, you have to be in this location. I have mentioned the path location in the description. You can simply copy-paste in here. Double-click on Verified and Reputable Policy State and change the value data from 0 to 1. Then click on OK. Now let's check Smart App Control is on or it's still off. Here, you can see it's on. So that's how you can fix Smart App Control blocked an app that may be unsafe on Windows 11. See you in the next video.